EPH is reporting less than 19,000 COVID-19 cases across our state of Georgia. So any other time, this would be really concerning. But during this latest surge, it's a promising sign as we wait to reach our peak. But what could a mass celebration of UGA fans do to our metrics? Infectious disease experts say we should be okay if we keep our celebrations outside. Here's John Sherrick on how to stay safe.
Look, Omicron is everywhere right now. It's not just limited to colleges. It's spreading like wildfire, and it spreads very, very effectively and very, very fast, even if you are vaccinated. We've seen it absolutely tear through, for example, football teams in the NFL almost before you even know it's there.
Dr. Zach Binney, sports epidemiologist at Emory University's Oxford campus, sees the rising numbers of COVID cases at UGA, for example. At least 804 cases as of last week, 3 times higher than the week before, up from just 22 cases at the beginning of last month. Dr. Binney says students and alumni and others in Athens this week celebrating the Bulldogs National Football Championship should know that outside, the Omicron variant doesn't spread as easily.
We're probably not going to see a ton of spread from the parades themselves or even outdoor events at Sanford Stadium. My worry is any indoor celebrations that are going to take place around that, going into the bars or restaurants in downtown Athens, going into frat houses or other people's homes. That's really where I'm worried that we could see a large amount of transmission.
He's worried about unmasked people, for example, who are asymptomatic, spreading the virus later unknowingly to people who are at high risk for getting very sick.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to celebrate a championship for UGA. Go Dogs, that's great. I'm as excited as you are. Just think about the consequences and make sure you're doing what you can do to keep those you care about safe.
You know, we have heard this many times before. Make sure you wear a mask, and N95 or KN95 mask. He says indoors to minimize the risk, but better yet, Dr. Binney says stay outdoors at the parade and at Sanford Stadium.